first shop.
That is the first ever drunk elephant store.
Hello, I'm Reanne and this is my husband Ben. We decided to sell everything and travel full time.
Hi guys, welcome back. We're on tour Dridgers and this is our Malaysia series.
We are literally at the exchange at TRX. But basically this is a brand new luxury mall here in Kuala Lumpur and it is opening in 3 minutes.
We're at the front.
And we're at the front. We managed to get here, like we took the MRT here, brand new line, and it literally takes us straight into the mall. So we're really excited to be the first ones to see it. We're literally going to be like the first ones.
Look how many people are waiting. So there's obviously a front entrance where the main building is, and this is from the MRT entrance. Do you think it'll go crazy when like they go and everyone's going to run? Yeah. Should we see? Oh, I'm well excited. I'm hoping they're giving out like free goodies and that. I don't think I've ever been so excited for something. I'm literally going to run. I've told Ben I'm leaving him behind. If you don't...
You run.
Yeah, if you don't stay with me. This is the weirdest thing ever. Oh, I thought it'd be a bit more exciting now. I thought there'd be like some party poppers going off, going welcome. But yeah, we're the first couple of people. They've obviously let the front door people in first. I'm not sure. Or I think like there's VIPs.
Well, basically, it absolutely stinks of cleaning products.
It does.
So they've obviously
smells new.
They've just finished construction and totally blitzed the place. And yeah, this is as new as it gets, isn't it, really?
Wow, just look at it. Steve Madden. You like that? What? No.
This is the turn, so 11:30 open, then...
Oh, you can't go up?
Yeah, 11:30.
Oh, okay. So we're not allowed on the next floor without a pass? Not until 11:31. Oh, what's that? It's got a GoPro on it. Nando's not open yet. There's a massive chicken outside. I don't think anything's actually open yet. You're just allowed in the mall. I think you've got to wait until past. Quick! I don't think we're allowed up. We like quickly ran.
We swear the security guard to get up.
Yeah, I don't think we're meant to be up here. There's loads of poshly dressed people. Oh god, the floor's slippery.
Yeah. That's what I mean, it's just been cleaned.
Oh well, we've got like Dior and everything on this floor. It's pretty crazy. Everyone's like filming. Oh wow.
Oh, so this Cebu is like an online store, and this is the very first shop, the actual very first physical shop, and it's a shop that basically got like 500 different brands in there. So obviously this has caused like a bit of commotion and it's like big news here.
Look how many people here waiting. The first ever drunk elephant store. You know what drunk elephant is? It's a massive beauty brand, moisturizer, all that. It is, I can't afford it, but it looks amazing and it's meant to be really good.
So massive, I've never heard of it.
Yeah, it's women, isn't it? We've got Victoria's Secret here. A lot of people like taking pictures and videos outside the shop. No one's actually really shopping.
Yeah, to be honest, I've never...
That's a shop celebrating, obviously they're opening over there.
To be honest, I've never actually seen so many people just like camera phones, filming things, TikToking, YouTubing, everyone's
doing what we're doing all the time.
Yeah, it's like, obviously, this is a massive thing. This is like, a lot of like anticipation and buzz has been about this mall. So it's a big deal, this mall.
The best thing about this mall, where it's like nearly Christmas, well it's like a month till Christmas, it's really Christmassy in it and it's getting me in the Christmas spirit. I love it. It's just so beautiful. There's a lot of like golds and whites everywhere.
I'm so excited. I want to see what other shops there is. At the moment, I've only seen like luxury brands and that. I want to see if there's like H&M, Zara here, anything like that. But I've lost Ben again. He's just, when it's busy, he just can't handle it. He gets lost, confused, because he can't, if I walk off that Tammy, he can't see it. So I'm always like, Ben, it's like a lost puppy. See, I've lost him.
So this floor is like the sports floor. I can see North Face, Reebok, Asics. I'm sure there's like Adidas and Nike down there as well.
On the main floor, there's so many celebrations on. Like a lot of the big brands like Gucci and that have got dragon shows going on. I think they're like thank yous and prayers. Oh, CB's open and we're right at the front. Thank you. Oh. Thank you. Wow. Whoa. Yeah. That was like accidental. We were like just walking to H&M and they were opening.
Yeah.
I think people's been queuing there for ages and we were just like, yeah, let's go.
So I'll be honest, right? Both me and Reanne have never actually heard of Cebu. We've never heard of it, but we've heard it's very popular. And by the looks of it, it's just sort of like a big...
Debenhams?
Yeah, like a department store, basically.
Wow, look at these Christmas decorations.
Like a Macy's.
So this is the first floor. I'm hoping there's freebies given out there.
Hello, thank you.
Hello, thank you. Give us some freebies.
Everyone's so nice.
I know, there's so many staff in here. Like.
Just free stuff.
Let's go up to the next one. We'll go and see what clothes is in it.
Hello.
Hi. Up, Ben. Yeah, I don't think I should be on this floor. We've got Mulberry, Burberry, we've got like perfumes and that here, makeup. Security guard's probably going to follow me. People are still queuing there. Don't know how we got in. We're literally the only people on this floor.
I think what it is the owner or someone is doing like an interview outside, so everyone's watching that and no one's in here. So
We're the first people.
we're the first people in it. It smells nice.
We're literally the first people. This is crazy.
Good morning.
Morning. Oh, people coming in. Let's go up. They're letting people in on this floor. Let's get up. Literally, they've just opened it. Let's go up. We'll be the first people on the closed floor. This is like my best day ever. Oh, they've got a goodie bags. I want a goodie bag. Whoa. So this is the luxury bags. We're going to the very top. We didn't realise there's like 4 floors, and the top is like kids wear. So we don't really need to be up here. I think we might pop back down. Should we go back down? This is kids wearing toys. This is not what we need.
Customer, your own bag is free.
Yeah?
Did you say free?
You can have a seat.
Thank you.
Have one.
Yes.
So this is a tote bag. It's our own design.
Oh wow.
So you guys can
This is cool.
design it according to your own creativity. The colors are all here.
Yeah.
Usually they write the names or they color the lines in. So it's all up to you guys.
You want.
Yeah.
Where are you going? I'm very good at staying in the lawns.
We do.
Yeah.
I'm actually brilliant.
I'm gonna have lawns.
Probably doing nothing big, eh?
I'm hoping if we carry on walking the bag, they fill it with stuff. Done. There's my design. Very basic. I just had a grey and we got the OTWD in there. You see yours, Ben? Like a child's done it.
You like?
Wow, we're very vibrant.
Amazing. This is the best one.
I can tell you get pretty tired at the end of it.
The 2-year-old kind of.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Do we keep these?
Yeah.
Thank you very much. It was fun. Let's go shopping.
Yeah.
Enjoy your shopping.
Thank you very
you.
much. Bye. We got a new bags. Let's go and fill it with stuff. I like how she said, I can see you got tired at the end.
That was my best colour.
That's good. I finally got a freebie. Now let's try and fill it with other freebies. Giving away samples. Anyone giving away samples? Whoa. Right, we've gone down the floor and it says it's level C. I'm guessing it's done in alphabets, maybe. But this has got like a lot of food things.
Got like cafes, coffee shops.
Yeah, they look really nice. They've got like them buns that we absolutely love. This place seems to be popular. There's like a massive queue outside. It just looks so nice there.
This actually is an amazing mall. There's like everything in it.
But I found H&M, so I'm heading there. Hello. Love a bit of H&M, and it smells like fresh paint in here. I want to see if they've got that viral dress in there that everyone's going on about. You can't, like, it's really hard to find. Let's see if this brand new store has it. Can't find the viral dress. Oh, I found it. Is it? That's the viral dress. How much is it? 250 ring it, and they've also got like a jumper. That's pretty cute. We've made our way to the top floor where there's meant to be like a rooftop terrace garden. Oh god, it's hot out here.
It's hot.
After you've been in the AC, but wow, this is lovely.
Yeah, it's big, isn't it?
It's like a garden area. Wow, this is a little bit beautiful. And there's a waterfall. Oh wow. Oh, I don't leave anywhere. There's like a play area, some water features there. So this is a really good area for kids. I have not seen one kid though today.
No,
You'd be an idiot.
They're at school.
You'd be an idiot to bring a kid on an opening of a mall day. They'd literally... Oh, this is beautiful. I've never seen anything like this.
Yeah, so obviously where this is high up, you've got no like traffic or anything around it, but you have still got like the high-rise buildings. So all around us, literally, there's probably 20, 30
It's lovely.
high buildings.
And it's just like really beautiful and peaceful.
It's nice, isn't it?
The hard part is going to be finding your way out.
Yeah, I've no idea.
Nor do I. But especially if you're working there and you've got a lunch break, this would be like a really nice area to come up to. We are officially mauled out. We've been here, I don't even know how long we've been here, 2 hours. There's only so much you can show and it's getting busier and busier, and Ben's literally about to kill me.
No, I'm not a fan of malls. Anyway, right, there's a line, a new MRT line that runs straight into the mall. This is how we got here. It's the Putrajaya line, and this has only been open since March 2023, so pretty new. And this station's obviously new, but
And look how nice it is. Everything's just so like spanking new. Oh, let's show you our trainers. So Ben's got these Nike ones, and I've got these New Balance ones. We went out to Potato Market yesterday. We just wanted to do some shopping and get some bits before we went home. Fake.
very
Not
good.
fake.
First copy, very good.
Yeah. How much did we pay for them in the end? 160 ringgit for 2 pairs.
Yeah, we got a deal.
We got a really good
We
deal.
got a very good deal, yeah.
Let us know in the comments down below. Did we get a really good deal? I think we did. Yeah. As you can see, everything's just so new here, so shiny. The machines, look at these machines. They're so good. We find this problem quite a lot in Kuala Lumpur. The machines only take like certain notes, they only take 1 and 5s, and then suddenly every single machine would only take coins. We were like, we've only got notes.
Yeah, it's not
So in the end, we've had to go out the kiosk and they finally did it. But we went up there already, it's just like, no, here you go, here's some smaller notes, go and try it. Still didn't work. So we wasted about 20 minutes trying to get this done.
But this station's like mega modern, mega new, all looks clean. Everything we've been to today has been like
Super
prestige.
shiny.
Yeah.
But now we've got to try and go on a platform, we've already gone to the wrong floor.
Yeah.
That's the line we're trying to head back on, the yellow line, the new one, to Putrajaya, and then we've got to change there and jump on the train. It's a lot of travelling today. And then we've got to get a taxi because we're too lazy to do the 30-minute walk.
Yeah, because we're staying like near the airport. So yeah,
Way out of Kuala
Yeah, we're way
Lumpur.
out, yeah, way out.
Yes, there's ours. 6 minutes we've got to wait.
Right, so we're on it for 40 minutes. This is like obviously super modern, super clean. Not that busy, it's midday at the moment, so obviously everyone's at work.
We have got to say, obviously this has interrupted our Thailand series, but we wanted to get this out on the same day, obviously, of the mall. So after this one, it'll be back to the Thailand one. And then you have to wait a little while for the Malaysia, but we're a couple of weeks behind on videos, but
we hope you enjoy this one. Literally filmed it today and it'll be up on the same day.
Exactly, back to Thailand tomorrow.
Okay, that's the first part of our journey done. Now we've got to jump on the KLIA, the like fast train. It's the international train you use to get to the airport. We've only got one stop on there, and then we're nearly home. That's how much effort we went to go and see this more.
See, we do things like that because we're on tour with Dridgers. We're all about the content. We're all about bringing you exclusives.
We weren't even meant to do anything today. It was meant to be like a lazy day because we're actually flying tomorrow back home, and we were meant to go and do some washing and shopping and pack just around our area. And instead we've gone all the way into Kuala Lumpur and gone and filmed more.
Yeah, because we heard about this
Last night.
brand new mall last night, and we thought it's too rude not to bring you the content.
Alright, can I have my fob? KLIA, Goodie.
This was one of the hardest things we find, is like finding the other station inside the station. We're just
lines.
there.
Alright, last stop, we just got to order a taxi and then we'll pay it back at our base.
Oh, it's been a long journey.
We've just ordered our taxi, we're just going to wait for that. So not much more is going to happen, and we want to get this video up today.
So basically, next episode we're going to be back in Thailand, but make sure you keep watching because our next series is coming from Malaysia, and we've got loads and loads of good videos. Like obviously we've already recorded them and they're like fantastic. So subscribe. Really busy now.
Yeah, what day is it? Thursday. Thursday. No, Wednesday.
Wednesday.
It's Wednesday. Sorry, we messed up.
As you can see, super modern.
比心微科点，展访岭。